In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Shopify disputes. Start by opening Shopify in your browser and signing in to your Shopify admin. Go to admin.shopify.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside the admin, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that sidebar, click Orders. This takes you to your Orders page, where Shopify shows your recent orders in a list view. On this page, you'll use a filter so you only see orders connected to disputes. Move to the top of the orders list and click the Search and Filter bar. This is where Shopify lets you narrow down the order list based on specific order conditions. After that, click Add Filter. A drop-down menu will open with different filter options you can apply to the orders page. In that list, select Chargeback and Inquiry Status. This filter is used to show orders that have dispute activity tied to them, including chargebacks and inquiries. Once that filter is added, you'll see a value drop-down connected to it. Click that drop-down, then choose Open. This tells Shopify to show only orders with an open chargeback or an open inquiry, so the list updates to display active disputes that still need attention. After you select Open, the orders list refreshes automatically. You can now view all orders that currently have open dispute activity. If there are any open chargebacks or inquiries on your store, they will appear here in the filtered list. If there are no open disputes at the moment, the page will simply show an empty list, which means there are no active dispute cases matching that filter. That is how you check your Shopify disputes by using the order filters inside your admin. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. From here, you are viewing your disputes directly on the orders page by filtering for chargeback and inquiry status set to open. This gives you a clear way to see which orders are currently involved in dispute without scanning through all recent orders.